Today is the day.
Yep.
We're drawing a Easter egg.
Challenge.
That's right. We're drawing 10 Easter eggs. They all have to be very different from each other.
Very, very different.
They have to be unique. And we're drawing it in 5 minutes. We're gonna set a timer
And see if we can draw 10 different Easter eggs in 5 minutes.
That's right. Okay, art along friends, so grab yourself some markers or any drawing supplies and paper and join us on this Easter egg challenge. Ready? Set, art. And for the Easter egg, you can start by drawing an oval shape. And we have a different how to draw an Easter egg video if you want to check that one out first to get some ideas. Whoa, Mia's on the second one. Okay, I'm gonna draw the emoji one from before. This one is just a simple polka dot one. Is that another emoji? Nice. I'm gonna draw some tulip patterns on this one. Ooh, some sort of pattern.
I'm on my 5th.
Really? That's so fast. This egg is very slender. Okay, we have 2 minutes and 35 seconds left now. Are you almost done?
Yeah, I'm on my last one.
Wow! And then after you draw all your Easter eggs, talk about what you drew with each other as an activity afterwards. That's what we're gonna do, right, Mia? Okay, I did a dragon egg. Okay, 1 minute and 30 seconds left.
I don't have any room for more.
Whoa! You drew 10?
I drew
And
15.
more? Oh wow, I'm at 9. Okay, I need to hurry. Mia, you went so fast. That's amazing.
What is that?
I'm gonna color that like a watermelon later. And we have just under a minute left. And the fun thing about drawing these is later on you can color it all too. So we'll do that in a little bit. Okay, what should my last one be? Ooh.
Scissors?
Scissors?
Yeah, maybe.
What scissors? Oh, like scissor pattern?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do something else. This is going to be a pineapple. Okay, so we have 15 seconds left. I might try to fit in one more. This one is just gonna be squiggly lines or something with some stars. Time! So how'd you do, Art Along friends? Did you draw 10 different Easter eggs in those 5 minutes that we had?
Did you? Did you? Did you?
Okay, so which one's your favorite Easter egg? Ooh, look at all of your faces, emojis. My favorite is my pineapple. Hard to pick.
This one.
The kissy face emoji? Yeah, so let's get coloring, and Art Along friends, come join us on other challenges too. We have draw 10 different butterflies in 5 minutes. What else do we have? We have all the color challenges, right? What colors do we have?
Green, blue, purple, pink.
So you can check all of those color challenges on our channel. The green one is a really epic one because we draw 40 different green things. That was a big challenge for us, but so fun. All right. Do you have a different favorite now after coloring it? Or is it still the same?
I have a new favorite.
Okay, what is it?
This one.
This pink one?
This one.
Oh, that one. The blue one. Why is that?
Because it's totally different from this one.
Wait a minute, Mia. I just noticed something. This one, and this one all have stripes on it.
Yeah, but
Just-
they're in a different pattern.
Just in a different direction.
They're all a different pattern.
I
This
don't
one's
know.
This one's horizontal.
Yes.
This one diagonal.
Uh-huh.
This one's striped. This one's wavy. They're all called different things.
Art Along friends, I don't know, but we'll count it for Mia. Well, Art Along friends, hope you had fun with us and join us next time on our channel.
Bye.